Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the front control arm on Ford Focus MK2. This is the front control arm right there. In order to get access to it, first we're going to remove the front wheel. Next we're going to remove the nut holding the ball joint. We're also going to remove this bolt holding the CV axle. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the nut removed. Now I'm going to get my ball joint puller tool and a hammer, and I'm going to pull down the control arm while I hit the bed on the ball joint. I'll get somebody to help me to pull down the control arm while I try to hit the bed of the ball joint harder. And here you can see that the ball joint separated. Next I'm going to remove the bolt holding the CV axle. And now I'm going to take out the CV joint from the wheel hub. You don't have to do it just to replace the control arm, but I'm going to do it anyway because I'm going to remove the whole CV axle. Next I'm going to remove the other bolts holding the control arm. These are the two bolts and the one down there. First I'll remove those two bolts. And now I'll remove the other bolt that is on the side. Now that all the bolts are removed, I'm going to pull out the control arm. And that's the control arm out. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one. This is the part number for the new control arm. Now I'm going to put the control arm back in its place and I'm going to put the bolts on. Once the bolts are screwed a little bit, now I'm going to use my pneumatic gun to tighten them. When you're tightening the side bolt, make sure the control arm is up like that, it's not down. This way there will be no pressure on the bushing when the car is in motion. So now I'm going to tighten this bolt. Next I'm going to put the CV axle on and assemble everything else in the reverse order. Now I'm going to put the CV joint into the wheel hub and the ball joint in its place, and I'm going to tighten all the bolts. I've put the nut on the ball joint on, but in order to tighten it, first I'm going to get my transmission jack and I'm going to push up the ball joint so that I can tighten the nut. That's the nut tightened. Now I'm going to remove my transmission jack and I'm going to put the bolt onto the CV axle and tighten it. And that's how you replace the control arm on this car. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.